He's laughing, so it must be spicy.
So, we're at the Halal chicken place on Brixton Hill. I'm back in Brixton after 8 years away. Can you believe it? It's really, really weird being back, walking the streets that I once walked. That's my nephew, who I haven't seen since 8 years ago. He was a small child, calling everyone Mrs. Farty Pants, and now he's like a big grown man, look, with hair and a kind of almost beard. It's still just bum fluff, but it's almost adult hair. And there's that's Siobhan and Tina. Can you believe that? Tina, who I bumped into in the effing street.
She's stalking
in London. Insane. Like how? How did she know where I was staying? That's the very. I've met random people in each city I've been to. I've met people, and I've had a cake in each city.
Yeah,
it's been a cake tour. I haven't had a cake. No, I haven't had a cake here. I had a carrot cake in Amsterdam.
Secondary effect of the cake.
A carrot cake in Amsterdam.
Maybe we're not here.
And a cream cake in Brussels, but no cake in England. Because I want pie. I want pie.
Cream pie.